Please let me make
Ananda Muhammad Radinal Kausar bin Edward Hamid. Saya nikahkan Safira Yunita, anak kandung saya, untukmu dengan mahar 16 mayang emas tunai.
Saya terima nikahnya Safira Yunita, anak kandung Bapak, untuk saya dengan mahar 16 mayang emas tunai.
Cause it feels like the world is gone crazy, spinning faster and cheaper than ever before, and it feels like there's nobody giving a damn that it's getting worse. Let it be something wonderful. Let it be something beautiful. Please let me make something beautiful, a thing that reminds us there's good in the world. I feel like new sunglasses, like a brand new pair of jeans. I feel like taking chances. I feel a lot like 17. I feel like windows roll down new city streets and cabs. I feel like anything can happen, laughing. You take me right back when we were kids.
Acara pesta perkawinan itu adanya acara serah terima itu.
Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Brand new. I feel like a young John Cusack, like making big mistakes. I feel like for the first time in a long time I am not afraid. I feel like a kid. Never thought it'd feel like this. Like when I